University Grant Commission established in 1956. In November 1956, University Grants Commission was formally established as a statutory body of the Government of India via University Grants Commission Act 1956 of the Parliament. The vision was to supervise the coordination, determination and maintenance of standards of university education in our country. Main aims of UGC in higher education is to provide funds to universities and coordinate, determine and maintain the ethics in institution of higher education. The Commission uploads the interpretation among the universities, government and the community. UGC has also set some standards for the universities for being UGC approved universities with the growth of higher education in India. Many top, medium and small universities are being established day by day. Among these universities, there are many universities that are fake and not fit as per the UGC standards. Therefore, the University Grants Commission has released the list of fake universities in India to help the students to recognize these rejected universities. Important functions of University Grants Commission: promote and coordinate university education, frame rules on minimum standards of education, setting to standards for examinations like ICAR, NET, UGC, NET and CSIR, UGC, etc. Scrutinize growth in the field of college and university education. Scrutinize growth in the field of college and university education, allow grants to the universities and colleges, maintain the connection between the union and state governments and institutions of higher education, suggest mandatory procedures to central and state government to make positive changes in university education. In 1994 and 1995, the UGC decentralized its operations by setting up 6 regional centers at Pune, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Bhopal, Guwahati and Bangalore. UGC operated by setting up 6 regional centers at Pune, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Bhopal, Guwahati and Bangalore. The head office of the UGC is located at New Delhi with 2 additional bureaus operating Firozabad and the South Campus of University of Delhi. In December 2015, the Indian government set a national institutional of ranking framework under UGC, which will rank all educational institutions by April 2016. Type of universities: central universities or union universities in India are established by an act of parliament and are under the purview of the Department of Higher Education in the Ministry of Education. In general, universities in India are recognized by the UGC, which draws its power from UGC Act 1959. In addition, 15 professional councils are established controlling different aspects of accreditation and coordination. Central universities in addition are covered by the Central University Act 2009. which regulates their purpose, powers, governance, etc. At a establishment established 12 new universities as of 1 June 2020. The list of central universities published by the UGC include 54 central universities. Other types of universities controlled by the UGC include state universities. The state universities are public universities run by the state government of each of the state and territories of India and are usually established by a local legislative assembly act. The UGC draws its power from UGC Act 1956. In addition, 15 professional councils are established controlling different aspects of accreditation and coordination. The UGC publishes and regularly updates the list of state universities. Deemed universities are deemed to be university is an accreditation granted to higher educational institutions in India. Conferring the status of a university, it is granted by the Department of Higher Education to quote the MHRD. Private universities and private colleges are usually not operated by governments, although many receive tax breaks, public student loans and grants. Depending on their location, private universities may be subject to government regulation. This is in contrast to public universities and national universities. Many private universities are non-profit organizations. UGC Research Awards and Honors. UGC always put steps for encouraging teaching and research. UGC always put steps for encouraging teaching and research fellows. For promoting excellence in research in higher education, UGC has arranged UGC Research Awards and Honors. Every year, many brilliant researchers and lecturers are bestowed with UGC awards and honored by the Commission. The awards are UGC Arihom Ashram Trust Award, UGC Swami Pravardhana Saraswati National Awards, UGC National Vedva Sanskrit Awards,